I'm over the rail cars that come in, the containers, getting them loaded, unloaded. I hop on the forklift here and there. My favorite? Driving the forklift. Keon Funderburk. I'm the transportation administrator and the dispatch coordinator. My team, they're very reliable, and like I said, they always up for learning new things. Coming on a day off, try to get an extra experience as well. Now I'm somewhat of the trainer too, as well, so getting the new guys into the forklift, and every day is something different. The environment is great. It's very structured. They really put like everything into as far as the training, and like I said, everybody gets along just fine.